Hi, I'm Robert. Welcome back to another on the road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before you begin any repair, unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended that you check for proper voltage. The tools required to complete this repair are a 1/4-inch driver and a putty knife. Today we're working on a Whirlpool Cabrio dryer. We found that the control panel is damaged in two ways. One is it's missing some of the shadow fascia right underneath the illumination for the time and such. The other is that one of the mounting studs is broken in the back corner. So we're going to replace this assembly. We'll start with removing the 1/4-inch screws on the back top panel. There are 3 of them. Next, we're going to take a putty knife and we're going to slide it down underneath the panel and pry the clips back and up. And then we're going to rotate the assembly up and out. And then we'll turn it over and we'll disengage our Molex plug on the control board right here. There's a tab you're going to push back on slightly. You don't want to break it. And pull up on the Molex plug. And then disconnect this Molex plug. And your console is removed. Now that we have a new console assembly, what we're going to do is remove the tape that holds the wires in place. And then we're going to reconnect our Molexes. We got the square one goes down on the board. And then the rectangular looking one clips in to the other receiver. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip the console so that these tabs in the back slide down into these slots in the back and then press down on the front. So let's get these in position. And we'll push down. And the 3 screws in the back. These are 1/4-inch hex screws. And then we will remove our protective film. Front of the panel itself. And that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.